Hello guys, I greet you once again in the beautiful name of the Lord. So today I'll be showing you how to play Yeshua. The original key of the song is the key of F sharp, right? The key of F sharp. So without any waste of time, I'm gonna jump straight to the song. So this is how the song goes. So without any waste of time, this is our first chord. This chord is created by the key of A sharp, D sharp, and also F sharp, right? This is our first chord. And then our second chord is this one. You just drop your thumb a semitone lower. I mean a semitone higher, right? You just move from here to here. This is our second chord. And then our third chord is this one. You move this finger a tone lower, right? You skip this one, you come here, and then you move your thumb again a semitone higher. So this is our third chord, right? This is our first chord. This is our second chord. This is our third chord, and our fourth chord is this one. So this one is created by the key of G sharp, C sharp, and also F, right? So when they are combined, they want to sound like this. I want you to play every chord 4 times, right? It's gonna be my be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? I'm gonna introduce the bass. So on your bass, when you come to the first chord, your bass comes here. It's the key of D sharp. When you hit the second chord, your bass comes here on the key of B. When you hit the third chord, your bass comes here on the key of F sharp. And then when you come to this chord, your bass comes here on the key of C sharp, right? So I'm gonna play my right hand together with my left hand so that you can hear how they sound when they are combined, right? So we go. Don't forget to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 amongst thousands. Sorry. And thousands. Again. My beloved is the most beautiful. Na, 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 na. Right? Na, na, na. And then we're gonna move to Yeshua. So this part begins with this chord. This chord is created by the key of F sharp, B, and D sharp, right? F sharp, B, and D sharp. And then from this chord, this is where it says Yeshua. And then it comes here. This one is created by the key of G sharp, C sharp, and also F. G sharp, C sharp, and F. Right? Yeshua. From this one, it comes here. Right? Where it started. So this one is created by the key of A sharp, D sharp, and also F sharp. You already know this one because we explained it in the beginning, right? Na 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 na. From this one, it comes back to this one, right? So it's gonna sound like Yeshua. So I'm gonna introduce the bass on this part. When you come to this chord, your bass goes right to the key of B. It goes right to the key of B, right? Yeshua. When you come here, your bass goes to the key of C sharp. When you come here, your bass goes to the key of D sharp. And then when you come back here, your bass goes to the key of A sharp, right? On the right, you can play this chord or you can play this chord, right? You can play this one or you can play this one, right? You can play this one or you can just move your thumb a tone higher. You just keep this one and you come here, right? This is how it's gonna sound. Yeshua. Right? Yeshua. Na 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 na. But I prefer this one, right? So this is how the song sounds when it's all combined, right? I'm gonna start from the beginning. Na ni na ni na 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 ni na 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 ni na 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 ni na ni na na ni na 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 ni na 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 na. Right? I hope everyone saw it. So I'm gonna show you how to play it using the key of C sharp. So very easy. This is our first chord. Right? Our first chord is created by the key of F, A sharp, and C sharp. This is where it says, my beloved is the most, and it comes here. Right? You just move your thumb a semitone higher. You come here. Right? From here, you come here. And then it's gonna say amongst thousands, and then you come here. This one is created by the key of F, G sharp, and C sharp. Right? This is our third chord. This is our first chord. This is our second chord. This is our third chord. And this is our fourth chord. Our fourth chord is created by the key of D sharp, G sharp, and also C. Right? So when I say, my beloved is the most beautiful amongst thousands and thousands. Right? Don't forget to count each chord 4 times, right? So I'm going to introduce the bass. When you come to the first chord, your bass comes here to the key of A sharp. When you come to the second chord, your bass comes here to the key of F sharp. When you come to this chord, to the third chord, your bass comes to the key of C sharp. And when you come to the last chord, your bass goes straight to the key of G sharp, right? Right? I hope everyone can see that. So when we come to Yeshua, this is where it starts. It starts right here on this chord, right? This one is created by the key of C sharp, F sharp, and also A sharp, right? From this one, it comes here. This one, we already covered this one, right? So it comes here, and then it goes back to this one. And then from this one, it comes back to this one. So it's gonna sound like Yeshua. So I'm gonna introduce the bass. When you come to this one, you come here, the key of F sharp. And then when you come here, you just move the tone higher, you come to the key of G sharp. When you come here, you go straight to this one, the key of A sharp on your left, right? A sharp. And then when you go back here, you just come here to the key of F, right? When you go back to this one, you come to the key of F. So this is how it's going to sound. Yeshua. So I'm gonna start from the beginning, right? My beloved is the most beautiful. Na 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 na. Right? Na na na. Again. Da dee da da da. Ba 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 ba. And na 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 ni. Na na na. And then na 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 na. Right? So easy. Until we meet again, guys. God bless you.